Welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia.
I'm here with Maria from Slimstock. Maria, welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia.
Thank you so much.
Tell us a little bit about what you guys do.
All right, so we're an inventory software company that deals with like inventory optimization. So anyone that has inventory and things like that, we help manage their software, making sure that they've got the right stock at the right place at the right time. Yeah.
Amazing. Now, everyone, just about every stallholder we've bumped into is going, oh, we're an AI platform.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about what you guys are doing in that space.
Yeah, of course. So if they've got inventory, we make sure that it's like all their ordering and things like that are all in the right place at the right time and things like that. So they've got all their purchasing and whatnot is all ready to go for them, and the decision making is taken out of the equation because our software helps to make the decisions for them.
Amazing. And so you might argue it's a pretty saturated space, right? There's other products like Nextstock and Relax and so forth who do similar sorts of things.
Yeah.
What's the differentiator for what you guys do?
We work with basically any industry to help optimize their inventory and their decision making and things like that. So yeah.
Right, so some of those others will be very sort of like retail specific or something.
Yeah.
So your value prop is you can handle pretty much any industry.
Yeah, exactly.
Amazing. Now, we were chatting earlier about the amazing client list that you guys have got in terms of, folks who are already on the platform.
Yep.
I'm imagining over time you've seen some, client stories or whatever, and without necessarily sharing anything that's, commercial in confidence, what are some of the results that your clients are seeing?
Yeah, so we see about a 50% efficiency rate go up, and oftentimes you see a reduction of waste for the client, so about 50% reduction in waste. Out of stocks, we receive about 50% reduction in out of stock, so they're having more of the stock that they're needing in their warehouses rather than unnecessary stock, and their revenue also goes up by about 5%.
Yeah, right. So not only am I able to fulfill orders because I'm not running out of solution, but then I get revenue increase in the back of it.
Yeah, exactly.
Amazing. Now, you were sharing with me earlier, you've got some pretty wild success stories. Who are some of your who's your top 5 favourite clients?
Yeah, of course. So we've actually got Bid Food, PG Delights. We've got 2XU. We've got Sonopar, which has got Corey's Electrical and Lawrence and Hanson in it. We've got Adore Beauty, which is a fantastic brand, and King Chrome and things like that. So we work with a variety of different industries across the board. Yeah,
pretty demonstrative of the conversation we were having earlier around the ability to service multiple different industry verticals, right?
Yeah, exactly.
It's amazing. Well, it's been amazing having you on the show. Thanks very much for being here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for tuning in to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane and Paul.